few summer recipes. So I thought I already started preparing some sourdough scones last night, which I let them go in the fridge, and now they should be warm enough for me to shake. I'm going to be doing some berry cheesecake popsicles. We're going to be trialing a new recipe that should be on the blog soon with a pineapple mango smoothie and just a couple other little things that I had planned to do for the day. I'm going to bring you along. All the recipes will be in the description below. And this is my new little baby son, Jack. Say hi. Hi. Let's get started. So I'm just going to grab some of this dough, roll it up into a ball, to the size I want, and then I'm just going to stick it on the mat. And I'm going to let these rest for a little while before I go ahead and bake them. So I'll get my oven preheated to 190 degrees Celsius, which is 375 degrees Fahrenheit. When I do my scones, I personally just like to do them with my hands. My hands are washed and clean. But you can also just roll it all out and then cut them out with a cookie cutter if you want them to all be exactly perfect. I like it a little bit more rustic. Hi! Now this recipe will be up on the blog, so I'll have that link below. But if you're wanting to make this smoothie, it's so delicious and easy and creamy. It's just 1.5 bananas, a cup of mango, a cup of pineapple, it can be frozen or fresh, a cup of coconut milk. Top it up with about 3 to 4 cups of filtered water and 1/3 cup of honey. You blend it and it's good to go. It's currently our new addiction. We are loving this smoothie right now. Now I'm just starting to make the berry cheesecake popsicle. The very first thing I'm doing is heating up the berries because it really helps to bring out the flavor. The great thing with this recipe is you can use any sort of fruit you want. So if you want to use mango, or you want to do like different types of berries, strawberry, blueberry, raspberry, you can mix and match it super easy. I like to heat it, like I said, though, because it really brings out the flavor. Other than that, it's a real easy recipe. You just need 1 cup cream cheese, 1 cup milk, 1/3 cup honey, a teaspoon of vanilla. You blend that all together, separate the mixture into a half, and then you're going to pour your berry mix or whatever flavor you decided to use into that 1/2 mixture, blend it together, and then you're just going to alternate pouring it into your popsicle molds. And so you'll get like a nice look to your popsicles, like a mixture of the blue and a bit of the white. It just makes it look really pretty. You don't have to do that. You can just blend the whole thing if you like together, and it will just be one solid color as well. And you want these to freeze overnight, so that way they'll be nice and firm and they'll be really easy to pop out of the molds. I really like these popsicle silicone molds. They make it really easy to come out. I'll have a link for these below as well. Now with my sourdough scones, you'll see here that they're darker than your traditional ones. It is because I'm using spelt flour, so depending on the kind of flour you use will depend on how dark or light your scones will be. They are still soft and really delicious, and they do have a more rustic look because I did them by hand. But if you go to my recipe, you'll see how to do them the other way, where you can just roll them out and do them with a cookie cutter if you want them to look all the exact same, and you can just use normal white flour for them to have that white look to them. Something else I like to do a lot during the summer months is make milk kefir. It's just fermenting milk with some little grains. It's really easy to do and it's filled with lots of probiotics.
Over the summer months, you'll find that it is more liquidy and it comes out to be a bit more tangier. And over the winter months, it's actually a lot thicker and doesn't have as strong of a taste. But we just add it into smoothies so you don't really taste it very much, and it's really, really healthy. Once again, I'll leave the link below for how to make milk kefir.
Alright, so it's actually the next day now, and I just want to show 2 more recipes before we end up going out for our play. We're going to meet some friends. So I prepared last night my sourdough focaccia, and I'm going to get that going in just a moment, letting it rest. So I just have a pan and I put a silicone mat. I love these because they're reusable, and non-stick, so super simple. Just put that in there. So I'm about to do that, and I also have some water kefir that I need to get going. So I'm going to get it going on its second ferment, so I'm going to be flavoring that. So I'll just take you through that as well. And then I'll show you how the berry popsicles came out from yesterday. And then that'll be all. So let's get started.
Making sourdough focaccias. It's such an easy beginner recipe. Anybody can make this. You just need some discard, and it's seriously so easy. I like to use quite a bit of olive oil. It makes it extra soft, and it's still really crunchy on the outside. The great thing with this focaccia is you can put whatever you want on top. Whatever vegetables, you can put some sliced meat. You can just have so much fun with it. But my kids are a little bit more boring, and they like it just with salt and cheese. Still really good, and we enjoy it with a bit of sauce sometimes on the side as well. Highly recommend making your own. Another thing we love to make pretty often is water kefir soda. My daughter actually makes this most of the time now, so that's just one less thing that I have to do in the kitchen, and it's just so easy and so delicious. When it's hot, just everybody's really thirsty, and you kind of get tired of just drinking water all the time. So water kefir soda is just a great way to add some probiotics. It's a healthy, fizzy drink, and it's really, really simple to make. I have a whole guide on telling you how to flavor it and how to do it and the benefits of making it, which will be linked in the descriptions below.
I hope you enjoyed this video and are inspired to try some of these recipes yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys again soon in the next video. Bye!